Good evening, friends. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing fine and having a great day. And I hope you must have had a good night's sleep yesterday. If not, actually, I'm going to tell you very good home remedies on how to get a sound sleep, and you can sleep much better if you had insomnia for many years or many months or many days. Doesn't matter, and you can go for a fresh new start from today, friends. You'll be so thrilled that these home remedies work, and you can fall asleep in just 30 minutes. I just say half an hour, just 30 minutes. So it is so good things, and you all know that if you all don't sleep well, you all will be so sluggish and not in great mood. The next day is ruined, and you're only thinking about sleep all over. And wherever people sit, sometimes they get off sleep and start snoring in the middle of early morning and middle of the day, and other people get a chance to laugh at it and make jokes about it. But over here I'm not saying about all this, but I'm just going to tell that how home remedies help in making you get into a proper pattern of sleep, and you'll have a very good sound sleep. Next day when you wake up, you'll be so fresh, energetic, and you'll say, wow, this things really work, and it all makes a good difference in the night sleep. First of all, now friends, today, like now it's only evening, and you're almost working in your day, trying to return back from your office to home and bring kiddos from school to home, and you have to cook dinner. You have a lot of things from now to sleep time. So you have to cook dinner, you have to bring the children, and now with all this going around, you have to tell the children to take a shower, and you have to take a shower. It becomes 1 hour already in giving shower to two kids, and you taking a shower, it becomes easily 1.5 hours. So you think, oh my, 2 hours have just gone off, and now I have to rush cooking. So you are not ready for the evening actually. So first you come back from your school, office, or wherever, however busy day you had, doesn't matter. So you just came home, think that you have nicely taken a shower, you have relaxed for 5-10 minutes, you're ready to prepare dinner, whether be it easy dinner, one pot meal, or you have to go like me, like cook an Indian dinner, make some tortillas, make some lentils, make some vegetable, and then go ahead and get ready for tomorrow morning. And then it becomes of automatically 12 o'clock in the night. So first step to get your sleep pattern right is, first you have to clear the evening, have dinner easily, and have dinner at least 3 hours before you sleep, and take care of everything, and the night routine is done. You have made your children do their brush and make them in their night gown and night dress, so and they are all ready. So now the night starts, and the homework, everything is done. So all the tensions are set aside. So now, friends, you just finished your dinner. It's been 3 hours. You had dinner at 8 o'clock, and now assume that it's already 11 o'clock. So from today, make it a point that every day you'll be sleeping at 11 o'clock itself. So, friends, of your the first home remedy is to take some fennel powder, just to take some fennel powder in a nice hot milk which you have boiled. Just add this like half a spoon, and you mix it well. And when you mix it, you can drink that milk. You'll see that, okay, this is the first remedy and it helps. So this is the first remedy which I have told. Add fennel seeds powder to your whole milk, or 2% milk, fat free milk, doesn't matter. So just take the fennel seeds. Fennel seeds also are good, but I have fennel powder which is easy to mix. Just mix it, chunk it, and you're done of it, friends. So this is the first remedy. The second remedy is the cardamom. So this is how the cardamom looks. I'll open and show you also. So this two or three, just crush it, put it into your mouth, and slowly try to keep it in your mouth, and slowly with your saliva it will get softened, and you can chew it and drink it off all by itself. And next step is honey, friends. So you take a cup of water, a cup of milk, and you just stir it and just drink it. Honey with water also works, but that's a little slower process. So just take honey and mix it in the milk and just drink it off again. So this was the third remedy, friends. And I was fumbling too much because I don't come prepared, but today somebody said I need an nice YouTube which you can make and give me some fast home remedies. So these are the three home remedies. And friends, there's many points you can always press. This is the acupressure points. Just press the tips of your fingers. So just press, and every finger has its own important. You just need to press your tips like this, friends. Just press and listen to some nice music, some nice read some book. Don't do much screen time. Don't touch your laptops. Don't do your phones. All this, friends. So all this can be kept aside. So you'll see that very soon, when you have a good sleep pattern, it will make you sleep on time, wake up on time. You'll feel fresh, and you'll thank saying that all these remedies work. And one more tip is this, friends. Just take pure almond oil. Just take 2 drops. Just put your fingers like this, and 2 drops have already come into your fingers. See, here it is. If you can see, my hands are shining over here. Just with these 2 fingers, you can just massage your eyes under and over and round about, round about, round about. Just massage it, friends. So this helps, and there's a pressure point here also. If you just press it over here, you'll fall asleep within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, friends. So this is very helpful. So just remember this exercise. And almond oil is so good, you can, even if you have oily hands, just touch to your face, massage it well, and this helps in a great and with this oil, no, friends, you can even put on your belly button, in the middle of your belly button. Just take a drop of oil, rub it on your belly button, and you'll fall asleep like a baby. So these are the home remedies which are very useful and very good. So I hope you liked my tips, friends, and if you have liked it, like it, share it, and subscribe it. And if you have anything to ask me or comment, please do it below. I'll be glad to answer all your questions. Have a good night, friends, and let me know how did you sleep today. Bye.